Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Tsaka, more candles to blow, more years to come, and more trip pa sa ating dalawa. Tsaka don't forget to pray I love you.
Tirador.
Happy birthday, Spider-Man! Day, lagas ka na. Diyos ko, Lord, inuuban ka na. Happy birthday, and yes, more blessings to come, more birthdays to come, and stay in love na ka mo ni Loves. Ay, pag pinasaway, shit ka. Ibuon ta ikaw. Pagbutan na, and amula, sa linya condition. Enjoy ka mati sa celebration.
Hello, Kuya Dave. Happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your day and more birthday to come. And stay strong sa inyo ni Ate Jessa and more blessings to come. Happy birthday. Yun na.
Hi, Mark Dave, fiancé ng kaibigan kong si Jessa. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dave. Wishing you a year filled with love, joy, and all the things that makes life worth living. Happy birthday again.
Hi Dave, happy birthday kay Spider-Man. Wish you all the best. Keep safe and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mark Dave Raga. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come and God bless you.
Ayun, happy birthday, Dave. Happy birthday pa ngayon na Spider. Wala ko din happy birthday, Spider. So, ang tatagin pa pa ng Lord, yung hilabit pa na kinabuhi yun. Hilabit pa na relasyon yun yung yun. Yan. Ngayon pag dinuro pag pinasawan para din may stress sa inyo. Jessa. Maaram ka na. To katuyo naging karuyag mo ito. Pero by the way, happy birthday. Banding kita sa
Hello, Mark Dave Braga. Happy birthday. Stay strong din sa inyo ni Baby Jessa and stay healthy and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, pare! Huwag mo kakalimutan yung kanta, ha? Padala mo na dito. Naghihintay kami, ha? Happy birthday! Alam mo, dadaanan ko doon sa may Adelina.
Hi Mark Dave, happy birthday. Ingat ka po palagi and stay strong sa inyo ni Ate Jessa. Yun lang.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Stay handsome, stay safe, take care always. I love you. Enjoy your day.